Okay, review 5 real quick. When we look at this one, I see that probably the left side is where I want to start with, because I have some things going on here that I can work with my quotient or my reciprocal properties. So I'm going to start on this side. Secant is 1 over cosine. Cosecant is 1 over sine over secant 1 over cosine times 1 over sine. All right, now I have this complex fraction again. Notice all the denominators. This is a cosine sine denominator. So I need to multiply by, remember this is a times sign, this is a minus up here. So I'm going to multiply by cosine theta, sine theta, over itself. So I'm going to put this over 1 over cosine theta, sine theta. And again, I'll just put it over 1 so I make sure that I know what cancels. So in the first fraction, the cosine is going to cancel, so I'm left with sine times 1. In the second fraction, the sine is going to cancel, so I'm left with minus cosine. And in the denominator, the cosine cancels, and because I'm multiplying here, I also cancel the sine, because this is all multiplication. This times this times this. So I can cancel the sines out, and I can cancel the cosines out. Notice the difference between that and when there's a minus sign. Now I have to multiply this fraction times that and this fraction times that. With this one, because it's multiplication, I'm just taking this fraction times technically that fraction. And so I end up getting 1. Everything cancels, I'm left with 1. And that's what I needed to get. Sine minus cosine. I'm done. That's how quick that one was. But I like this example because I want to make sure you see the difference of what happens when there's a minus, and you really kind of have to distribute that to each of those terms. And what happens when it's multiplication, now you're just multiplying those things together and seeing what cancels. Okay, so that was the example 5.